we are at the wash. What's interesting about this is that it used to be an abandoned car wash turned into, it's like 6 different restaurants here. Let's take a look. Two Peruvian chefs, Soy Cubano, the Poke, Tootsies, Blue Tacos, Eastside Pho, Basics. Looks interesting. Cool. So do you know the owners here, or you just wanted to work here because it was a cool place to work?
No, just working in the cool place.
It's different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's different.
So do you do the cooking or what?
All.
Oh, you
Cooking, cashier, line, prep orders, have a taker, run the orders, or
So you do everything. Y'all stay busy?
well, sometimes. Yesterday was a good, busy, but right now it's so slow because it's the morning, and the last week was a very pretty busy, and this is it's good.
Like even in the morning, it's busy sometime, or is it mostly the afternoon?
Sometimes.
Almost the afternoon. Okay.
Yeah, in the afternoon is more busy like the morning.
Oh, that's nice. Like, what else y'all got? Like mostly like tacos and empanadas.
No tacos. It's more sandwiches and plates and bowls with black bean rice, yuca, plantains, and bowls and sandwiches.
Oh, okay. Are y'all family or?
No, this my boss is Cuban. I'm Venezuelan, and I don't have family in Nashville. I have a family in Utah and Orlando. I'm along with my old brother here and my uncle.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got a big family there.
Oh, the Cuban family, the Cuban place. Oh, it's like a family. Yeah.
Oh, so that make you want to work here then?
Yeah.
It's not just a regular job, It's like somewhere where you actually like to go.
Yeah. Well, actually, that's good. Just we are started, but it's a good place, a good people. The work. It's good partners. I like that.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
I have in my last work is moving. I don't like the moving because it's heavy work. Here is more relax. Yeah.
Laid back. 'Cause moving, that's hard work,
It's
man.
hard.
That's
Well, in the restaurant it's hard too, but it's not heavy.
yeah, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to hurt your back or
Yeah.
anything
Or
like that.
upstairs, downstairs. Yeah.
Up and down, up
Yeah.
and down, like lifting heavy stuff.
Yeah.
It's a different kind of hard work.
Yeah.
It's different kind.
So good.
That's cool. What was your name?
Carlos.
Carlos. Well, good to meet you. Good to meet you. I'm Gerald. No, just curious, man. I've been asking people like how they got set up here because I've never seen like this setup before. So that's pretty cool. I think the people in Tootsie, they said they came from Texas and they said they came here to get set up because it's a lot cheaper.
These professional guys. That's professional guys.
Oh, okay. So they're like professional, like businessmen.
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of what they were telling me because it's like. Hello.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate that.
It's so much cheaper than like a big restaurant,
Yeah.
like a big building.
Well, in here, all the food in Peruvian is really good too. Peruvians and taco and baki, and the pho, that's good too. I don't try the tacos right now, for now, but my boss, yes, it's good.
That's good.
Yes, it's good.
I tried the sweet potato tacos. That was interesting.
It's good.
With a little glaze on it.
I just tried the poke plate of the chicken ones.
I hadn't tried them. I tried the two Peruvian chefs.
Peruvian chef is good.
Very
I
good.
recommend. It's my favorite. Obviously the Cuban food.
That's got to be your other favorite.
Yeah.
It was nice talking to you. Look like you got some customers, but yeah, I'll be back, man. This is good stuff.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Like, we just moved out here from Texas, so normally a restaurant costs $500,000 to build,
Yeah.
and we were able to do it here for much less. So pretty cool for us.
That's exciting.
Yeah,
That's
cool.
exciting. So you said his name was Ted Cobble. He was the one that had this idea.
Tyler Cobble. Yeah.
Tyler Cobble.
Yeah.
That's a unique idea. I've never heard of someone turning a abandoned car wash into some restaurant.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. What do you recommend?
So we have 4 taco offerings today. We make our own corn tortillas from scratch. All the tortillas are about 5 inches. So my personal favorites are the sweet potato and the pork carnitas.
Sweet potato. I never tried that.
Yeah.
Okay, how about I'll try a glazed sweet potato and I guess a adobo.
Sure. You got it, man.
I think I'll try the lomo saltado.
Is it for here or to go?
To go.
Anything to drink for you, sir?
That'd be all.
$16.93.
Okay. So how do y'all like this place?
I love it.
Really?
Yeah.
Are y'all all family?
I'm sorry?
Are y'all all family?
Oh, no, we're just friends. Just good friends. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So y'all decided to like take on this restaurant. It used to be a car wash. How did that happen?
Actually, no, I found the job on Craigslist. I just live in the area and just needed something to do for fun.
Oh.
It was a great walking distance.
So what do you think about it?
Oh, I love it here. It's always busy and people are so nice. It's really nice here.
That's nice. That must be exciting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty unique, you know.
I've never seen before. So I think it's really unique. Yeah.
Yeah, me either. I was like, when I saw it, like, I gotta go check it out, you know.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Do you need a receipt, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. And 307.
Awesome.
I'll bring it right up to you.
Okay, thank you.